When I'm making soap, I'm in the zone. Like, I'm not thinking about my pain or thinking about what's going on outside. It's just me and the process. And I love it. Makes me happy. Put my passion into every piece of soap that I make. Texture in the soap. Putting the soap embeds on top, putting flowers, sprinkles even. But cutting it, it's magical because it's like, I did it, it's here. It's like your vision came to life and here it is. I want the soap to bring you joy, to bring back memories maybe. I want it to be a whole experience. And even though they look pretty, they make your skin feel soft too. So it's like, it's not only a pretty product, it's a good product. My name is Jani, and I'm the creator behind the Acryla Creative Studio brand.